Hello YouTubers, here we have the q800c. This soundbar was bought from an open box as to be lower cost or more budget friendly for those interested. Now yes, we wanted the so-called q990c, but in the off-grid homestead, in the man cave, this is where we come to smoke and hang out and watch TV. So the immersion of this q800c, that C meaning 2023, and the TV is C as well. It's a 50-inch TV. It is QLED Samsung 2023 TV. Up above we have some height channels. They are the wrong speakers for this soundbar if you're looking to purchase them for a wireless scenario. These I personally hardwired. You can see the wires coming down. They go into the back for the Atmos channels that are on the top of the soundbar. So this soundbar has 11 speakers in it. The Q990C has 15, so you're going to get much more in immersion. But the whole idea of this video is to say that this is a more budget-friendly soundbar. So with that said, the soundbar is a 7.1.4 system. But a question I may have to say is it possible to be 7.1.6 because of these two uppers? But once again, because they're connected to the top speakers on the Atmos of the Q800C, it's a safe play to say that it is just simply 7.1.4. The soundbar is an open box. In Canadian dollars, it was $6.50 plus tax, and these were open box as well, around $130. And we also, to get the 7.14, have added the 9500s. These are the front firing and up firing Atmos speakers with the kit. So this whole thing, to be budget friendly, would be around $1,200. It's about half the price of the Q990C. In this testing of the videos and sound, it's absolutely incredible, the sound quality that comes out of this soundbar. Comparing it to stereos I've had over the years that are much more expensive than this, they simply just don't rival this at all. So this is the HWQ800C with the two upfiring channels hardwired into the upfiring channels into the bar. I simply drilled a hole in the back, run some hot glue down the bottoms of the soundbar after taking it apart, and protruded the wire out the back and connected it to it without any problems. Wasn't a big issue to do, but it does make a big difference for the height channels on the TV. And with the rear speakers, it's an absolute incredible immersion in movies if it's in Dolby Atmos. Another point I will say is the rear speakers have been set to the max volume, and the sound is an adaptive sound with sound fit turned on, and all other height channels, rear channels, they're all set to maximum. The only one that's set to number 2 setting is the center speaker, and the subwoofer as well is set to 2. So that's my settings with the HW Q800C with 7.1.4. all open box these parts are, as to be a reduced alternative as to cost. And maybe for people looking for a more budget alternative, this may be what may interest you. However, if you got the money and you want to forward it to a Q990C, without question I would too. But this is a man cave, and I didn't see the reason to front that kind of cash for a system until I actually had this and added the rears to it. Was absolutely amazed with this system to say anything I've had over the years in a stereo system clearly did not rival this in both sound effect for the movie immersion as well as the music clarity. It's absolutely incredible. So this is the HWQ800C, budget friendly, we'll say, open box alternative.